Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to simply show you how you can add email aliases to your business email using Google Workspace. Now, if you're completely new to Google Workspace and you're yet to set up a professional business email with Google Workspace, what I'll do is add a tutorial down below in the description which will guide you through the complete process of setting up your business email, your custom email, with Google Workspace. Now, if you already have a business email, a business Gmail with Google Workspace, then the first thing that we need to do is head over to admin.google.com, and that's going to take you here. Or what you can do is locate your apps in the top right hand corner of any Google app. Then locate admin. Then to add email aliases to your users, simply navigate over to directory, then click on users. I want to add email aliases to this user here. Click on the user, then navigate down to add alternative emails. At the moment they have this alias, this alternative email set up, help@syndio.co.nz, meaning that if a customer sends an email to help@syndio.co.nz, this means this email will arrive inside Emma's inbox. Her primary inbox, emma@syndio.co.nz. So what we can do is come down, click here, and I'm going to add quote @syndio.co.nz, and I can add other aliases down here. Then come down and click on save. And just like that, you can see the email aliases up here that are associated to that user. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. As you can see, it's as simple as that to add email aliases for free inside your Google Workspace account. Many small business owners get this wrong and they try to add multiple different users with help, sales, admin, quote, support at their domain.com, and they add all these users which costs money. The best way to set up business emails is to add your primary email, your user's email as their name at your domain, and then additional emails. You simply add these as free alternative emails, free email aliases. However, that is it for this email alias tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them down below. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.